Strong new airport security systems are changing how people travel in 2026, and many passengers are getting delayed because they are not prepared. From AI-powered scanners to stricter carry-on inspections, airports are now using advanced technology to catch violations faster than ever before. Travelers everywhere are being warned about new screening policies, digital identity checks, and updated baggage rules. One major topic causing confusion online is don't travel without knowing this. New airport measures. 2026. Missing even one of these updates could lead to delays, bag searches, or denied boarding. Before the next trip, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay updated with the latest travel changes happening worldwide. Number 10. AI facial recognition checks. Many international airports are expanding facial recognition systems in 2026. Travelers may now pass through checkpoints without showing boarding passes multiple times because cameras instantly verify identity. However, problems happen when passport photos are outdated or names do not perfectly match booking details. Some passengers are being pulled aside for manual verification, creating long delays. Sunglasses, hats, and poor lighting can also slow the process. Airports are encouraging travelers to arrive earlier than before because biometric systems are now connected to immigration and security databases. Keeping travel documents updated and using the exact legal name on tickets is becoming more important than ever. Number 9. Random electronic device inspections. Security officers are paying closer attention to phones, tablets, laptops, and power banks in 2026. Some airports now require passengers to turn on devices during inspections to prove they are functional. Dead batteries can create suspicion and may result in additional questioning. Larger electronics are also being scanned separately in many terminals, increasing wait times during busy travel periods. Travelers carrying multiple charging devices or loose batteries are facing stricter checks than before. Airports are especially focused on lithium battery safety after several international incidents involving overheating devices. Fully charging important electronics before reaching security is now one of the smartest travel precautions. Number 8. Carry-on weight enforcement. Many travelers are shocked by how aggressively airports are enforcing carry-on weight limits in 2026. Airlines are now using automated weighing stations directly at boarding gates, catching passengers before entering the aircraft. Bags that previously passed unnoticed are suddenly triggering expensive last-minute fees. Heavy backpacks, oversized personal items, and hidden extra bags are becoming major targets during inspections. Some travelers are even forced to check bags moments before boarding. Airports say these stricter rules improve cabin safety and speed up boarding times. Understanding airline baggage limits before arriving at the airport can now save both time and money. Number 7. Digital passport verification. Paper document checks are slowly being replaced by digital verification systems across many airports. Travelers may now need mobile boarding passes, digital IDs, or online immigration forms before reaching security checkpoints. Some airports are testing systems that automatically verify travel authorization before passengers even enter screening areas. This means missing online forms or incorrect digital information can stop travelers earlier than ever before. Older travelers unfamiliar with these systems are experiencing confusion at self-service checkpoints. Airport staff are warning passengers to double-check all digital travel requirements before leaving home. Printed backup copies are still highly recommended during international travel. Number 6. Increase secondary screening. More travelers are being selected for secondary screening in 2026, even without obvious violations. Airports are using AI risk assessment systems that analyze booking patterns, travel history, and random security factors. This means completely ordinary passengers may suddenly face additional bag inspections or questioning. Security officers are also spending more time checking liquids, food items, and electronics inside carry-on luggage. Certain travel routes are receiving even stricter monitoring due to international security concerns. Passengers rushing through airports or appearing unprepared often attract extra attention during inspections. Staying calm, organized, and cooperative is becoming extremely important during modern airport security checks. Number 5. Smart security lane monitoring. Airports are introducing smart security lanes that track passenger movement in real time. Advanced cameras and AI systems now monitor how quickly travelers move through checkpoints and identify unusual behavior automatically. Bags left unattended for only a short time can immediately trigger alerts. Some airports are also using automated systems to redirect passengers into different screening lanes, depending on crowd levels and security conditions. Travelers who are distracted, slow during inspections, or repeatedly leave items in trays may face extra attention from security staff. These systems are designed to reduce congestion and improve safety, but many passengers are surprised by how closely airport activity is now being monitored. Number 4. Stricter liquid screening technology. Liquid screening rules are becoming more advanced in 2026 as airports install high-powered CT scanners. Some travelers believe liquid restrictions are disappearing, but many airports still enforce strict size limits depending on destination and airline policy. The difference now is that scanners can analyze liquids more deeply without requiring every bottle to be removed from bags. However, suspicious containers still trigger manual inspections. Unlabeled bottles, oversized cosmetics, and unusual drink containers are causing delays at security checkpoints worldwide. Travelers are being advised to organize liquids carefully and avoid carrying unnecessary items inside hand luggage to prevent extra screening. Number 3. Boarding gate identity rechecks. Many airports are adding additional identity verification directly at boarding gates. Passengers who already passed security may still face another facial scan or passport check before entering the aircraft. Airlines say this reduces fraud, improves passenger tracking, and strengthens international security measures. Problems often happen when boarding passes contain spelling errors or when travelers switch seats without authorization. Some passengers are also being stopped because their appearance no longer closely matches passport photos. These last-minute identity checks are slowing boarding in some airports, especially during international flights. Arriving late at the gate is becoming riskier because additional verification now takes more time. Number 2. New rules for transit passengers. Transit passengers are facing stricter procedures in many international airports during 2026. Travelers connecting through certain countries may now need additional screenings, digital forms, or updated travel authorization, even without leaving the airport terminal. Some airports are requiring transit passengers to rescan carry-on luggage before entering connecting gates. Missed paperwork or delayed transfers are causing travelers to miss flights more frequently than before. Airports are also increasing random inspections for passengers arriving from high-risk regions. Long layovers are becoming safer choices because short connection times may no longer provide enough time to complete new transit security requirements properly. Number 1. Real-time travel data monitoring. Airports and airlines are now using real-time travel data systems that instantly detect booking irregularities, immigration problems, and security concerns. Information from airline reservations, visa systems, and border control databases can now be checked within seconds. Passengers with expired travel documents, incorrect visa details, or unusual ticket activity may be flagged before boarding even begins. Some travelers are discovering problems only after arriving at automated checkpoints where systems deny access immediately. These connected security networks are becoming one of the biggest airport changes in 2026. Double-checking passports, visas, and booking information before every trip is now absolutely critical. Airport security and travel procedures are entering a completely new era, and travelers who ignore these changes could face serious problems during future trips. From AI monitoring to stricter baggage enforcement, airports in 2026 are becoming faster, smarter, and far more demanding than before. Staying informed can help avoid delays, expensive mistakes, and stressful security checks. More major travel updates are coming very soon, so stay prepared before the next flight. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more important airport updates, airline rules and travel tips every traveler should know.